Greetings everyone. Today we will look at the markings of the London session on Thursday, August 17th. As you know, we have reached the extreme zones of our 4H swing leg. We have mitigated the extreme demand here. If the 4H swing wants to continue bullish, this is the last zone that must hold the price. We expect a move upward from here, like this. Now let's go down to M15 time frame. We got our M15 swing boss recently. Then the internal structure started to form. Now the internal structure is bearish. But now that we are in the 4H extremes, I'm expecting a move up from this 4H demand. We can take a long trade after the M15 choke or the internal structure being bullish. Okay. Now let's move forward. 15 minutes before the London session, a bullish pressure is coming, and the supply zone is failing, and a new demand zone is forming. At the same time, let me check this. Yes, and at the same time, M15 change of character is coming. Where is our choke? Let me show you. It is right there. Okay. My expectation is that the price will hit this demand zone and create an upward movement. So how far can we play long? Up to the supply zone right there. Okay. Let's move it forward a little bit. Look, the price continues its upward movement without hitting this zone. Then comes the bullish eyeballs with the candle closure here. Now the internal structure is bullish and the weak low below is now a strong low because it made the candle close above the high. With the internal structure turning bullish, the swing pullback starts. Now let's move on. Okay, after the price touches our zone, we have a couple of trading options. I will explain. First, let's go down to M1. Okay. Here comes the M1 choke. This is our strong low that caused the choke. I want to take a trade with the price sweeping the strong liquidity below this low, but the price keeps pushing upward. Let me show you. Exactly like this. The liquidity is not swept and this trade idea is cancelled. Now let's look at the M5. Here comes the change of character on M5 as well, but it continues without sweeping the strong low below. Maybe you can take a trade from this lot zone, but it will be risky. Our trade idea is cancelled in M5 as well. Now I will talk about the risk entry in M15 time frame. We could take risk entry from this demand zone. This zone is the last point where the price should hold because if it fails, the internal structure will change direction. We can put our entry level at 25% of this demand zone and our stop level below the internal strong level. And we can play long until this supply. We can also take a quick short trade when the price comes to the supply zone. It should be a short trade because we will only play the internal pullback, exactly like this. So, it's all for today. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow.